Hi everybody. So the first thing you want to do is to click the link I'll be sharing with you. Okay. So if you are seeing this from YouTube, click the link in the description. Then it will take you straight to this page where you will have to fill in this information. As you can see, this form is should not be used to report unauthorized accounts, access or changes you have noticed on your LinkedIn, blah blah blah. So this is like a method that you can use to like report that your account was restricted. So it will be like you are the one reporting like your account was restricted. I don't know how to explain it, but I guess you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so you just have to fill in all this necessary information, right? And you now go over to this place. Why account? Whose account are you reporting? Okay, see my account. If you are reporting your account to report, then are you locked out of your account? Yes, because your account was restricted. First name on your profile. Don't worry, just put your normal name. Then please provide at least one of the following: email. You want to use your email? Go ahead and put your email. Then the next thing you want to do is to okay, so receive suspicious login notification. Two-step verification has been enabled, blah blah blah. Okay. So you just go ahead and click on unauthorized password change attempt on my account. Okay. Then what can we help you? Okay. I discovered that my LinkedIn account was restricted and I have been trying to lift the restrictions by providing all necessary details, but to no avail, right? So just want to drop that. Then you had an attachment already. You want to like go to how your account was restricted and you click on like what it is saying. Like you just, I mean, screenshots, take a screenshot of, you know, like everything. I think I have mine here. I'm trying to see. Okay. Trying to get the screenshot of, okay. So this is it here. So this is the screenshot. Go ahead and attach it. Right? Yeah, attach it. Then click on I'm not a robot. Do your verification. Boundaries. Boundaries. Okay. So you just go ahead and more contact option. No, just go ahead and submit it. So if you've submitted it, just watch out for your email. They are going to send you an email on how to go about the rest of the process. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Just follow these instructions strictly and let's see where we go from here. Thank you. So once you successfully do that, you'll be getting two mails. You'll be getting a mail like this. You'll be getting this mail. You'll be getting two actually. This one, you see, thanks for supporting, blah blah blah. we're getting this kind of mail. Thanks for contacting us, you know. So then the next mail you'll be getting is, you can see that the status is saying open. Thank you for contacting us. We want to help you gain access to use this secure link. You click on the link, provide a scanned image of your government issued ID card, for example, a driver's license, photo, name, signature, everything. So that's for the step one. Then the step two, if you don't wish to provide your ID card or do not have ID card, you can print a form to verify your identity. So you just click on the so they are going to send you like the steps that you will take. Once you can take these steps successfully, trust me, your account will be lifted. The restrictions on your account will be lifted. Do you get? So that's all, guys.